Yeah, quite.
OK，没有后头了啊？啊，他是这样，没有后头了。
Do we need these guys? Yes, gentlemen, it's really an important occasion that in the margins of the summit of Shanghai Cooperation Organization, the four ministers of our countries can get in touch and to discuss situation in Afghanistan, which is on everybody's mind. So many formats are being proposed to address this situation. We believe that the countries who are immediately neighboring Afghanistan, the countries who can make difference in the region and helping the Afghan people to get out of the crisis created after the 20 years of the war launched by the United States and NATO, that we can really, acting in good faith, we can make a difference in creating necessary external conditions for the Afghans to get their destiny in their own hands, without any threats emanating from the Afghan territory as regards terrorism, drug trafficking, and without any risks and challenges created from the territory of Afghanistan to its neighbors. I hope this meeting is going to be very productive.
OK，thank you。